Welcome back! Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make vegan fish salted vegetable Meehon soup recipe. Hope you like it. The vegetarian fish, pickled vegetables, and rice noodle soup is delicious and appetizing. The sour soup becomes more appetizing the more you eat it. My family and I love it. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: salted preserved vegetables, carrot, tomato, Meehon, vegan fish, lettuce, salted plum, ginger. Salted plum, also known as salted plum or pickled plum, is a kind of plum that has been pickled with salt. Shredded salted vegetables. Pickles are vegetables pickled in salt and are often used to enhance the flavor of food. The coriander at home is about to wither, so I cut it all to avoid wasting it. Known for its crisp texture and fresh flavor, with a hint of natural sweetness, romaine lettuce is perfect for eating raw or as a base for salads. Shredded and set aside. Remove silky tofu from packaging and cut into small cubes. Soft tofu has a light flavor, a hint of bean flavor, and a smooth texture. It absorbs the flavors of seasonings and soups very well and is often used to add a soft texture to a variety of dishes. Soft tofu is rich in high-quality plant protein, calcium and iron, and is low in fat and calories. It also contains soy isoflavones, which are beneficial to cardiovascular health and is a food with high nutritional value. Cubes tomato and set aside. Tomatoes have a moderate sweet and sour taste and a unique and delicious taste. Ripe tomatoes have juicy flesh and can be eaten raw or cooked, adding flavor and color to dishes. Peel and sliced carrot. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that converts to vitamin A in the body and is essential for vision protection and immune system function. In addition, carrots also contain fiber, vitamin K, potassium, and a variety of antioxidants that help promote digestive health and cardiovascular health. Chopped ginger. Slice ginger if you like it with your soup. Vegetarian fish can be bought in supermarkets. Just thaw and slice it. Vegan fish is often made from plant-based ingredients, such as soy protein, wheat gluten, or konjac, that are processed and seasoned to mimic the texture and flavor of fish. To increase realism, manufacturers may add seaweed extract or other seafood-flavored seasonings to mimic the taste of fish. Vegetarian fish needs to be roasted or fried to be crispier and more delicious. I like to grill it as it uses less oil and is healthier. Arrange vegan fish slices on baking tray and drizzle cooking oil on top. Send to oven. Bake at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. After grilling the fish fillet for 10 minutes, turn it over and continue grilling for 10 minutes. Vegan fish removed from oven and set aside. Soak Meehon in hot water. Place Meehon into soup bowl and set aside. Ingredients are all ready to go. Add cooking oil and ginger into soup pot. Stir fry until release flavor. Add pickled vegetables and stir fry together. The fried pickled vegetable soup will taste more rich and delicious. Add carrot. Add tomato. Add a bowl of water. Add to salted plum. Cover the lid and let's boil soup. Select soup mode and cook for 30 minutes. Soup is done. Add salt and seasoning to taste. Add soup. Put the ingredients separately. It will look better. Deco with fresh tomatoes and lettuce. Add soft tofu. Add crispy vegan fish slices. Lastly, garnish with coriander. The delicious vegetarian fish and pickled vegetable rice noodle soup is ready. Doesn't it look appetizing? The vegetarian fish and pickled vegetables rice noodle soup has rich flavors. First of all, the vegetable protein of the vegetarian fish is delicate and can absorb the flavor of the soup, bringing a seafood-like deliciousness. The addition of pickled vegetables adds a touch of salty freshness and sourness to the soup, stimulating the taste buds and increasing appetite. The smoothness of the rice noodles contrasts with the taste of the vegetarian fish and pickled vegetables, making every bite full of surprises. The soup base is usually light, but not without depth, and the flavors of various ingredients blend harmoniously in it. Overall, this soup has both the deliciousness of traditional fish soup and the freshness of vegetarian food. It is a unique and nutritionally balanced delicacy. The soup base of the vegetarian fish, rice noodles, and salted vegetable soup can be made with or without dairy products according to personal taste. Adding dairy products will make the soup base richer and smoother. If you prefer vegetarian or are lactose intolerant, you can use soy milk as a substitute, which can not only maintain the rich taste of the soup base, but also add bean flavor. The version without milk is lighter, highlighting the natural flavor of salted vegetables and vegetarian fish. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Pickled vegetable soup has certain benefits for the elderly, as pickled vegetables contain certain lactic acid bacteria, which help promote digestion and improve intestinal health. However, pickled vegetables are high in salt, and the elderly should eat them in moderation to avoid the risk of high blood pressure and cardiovascular disease. It is recommended to control the portion when eating, and to eat a low-salt diet to maintain healthy eating habits. Salted vegetable rice noodle soup is very suitable for eating when you have a poor appetite because of its mild texture and easy digestion. Eating the soup hot after boiling can not only provide a sufficient sense of fullness, but also stimulate appetite and help restore the desire to eat. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Yeah.